Everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you my first purchase from October catalog. So we have customer order love potion perfume. I will not open, please see it here how it looks like. So the MRP is 4599, but we have 30% off for this month. So if you love this perfume, don't miss to check out. I have next product, iron complex. This is for myself. We have next product, Nourish Plus Day Cream SPF 30 Day Cream Light. Customer order. We have next product, Nourish Plus Night Cream Rich. So we have special discount, 35% discount for from October month, so you can check it out. This is really good cream, you will love it. I want to show you here the texture, how it looks like. So this looks like this. And here is the last but not the least, gorgeous Divine Edu perfume. I got this in the form of gift. I cannot open right now because it will go for sale, so let me show you in this way. Here is the gorgeous perfume, Divine Edu perfume, 50 ml, MRP 4,299 rupees, and we have currently 25% off. So I paid for this just 399 rupees, and let me show you how. Bonus point gift, and those who complete 135 bonus point, they can choose anyone from this. So I already have candle scented and the stand, and the Bujatali is not for me, so I choose Divine Edu perfume. If you are watching me right now, kindly subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much once again. Take care. Bye bye.